So what you're about to see is important. You're gonna be watching a video by the legendary Mary Greenwell. I've been following her career for years. I have a huge crush on her. I think she really is a legend. She uses her incredible fingers to grace the faces of people like Kate Blanchett, to name just one of my big fan crushes. Anyway, she's gonna be doing the makeup on one of her friends, and yeah, eat it up. It's delicious.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, darling. And with my lovely Renata, I've done your skin. You look amazing. And what we're going to do now is your eyes. And the most exciting thing we're going to do is we're going to do false eyelashes on you.
I've never worn false eyelashes before.
You've never worn them before. Okay. We've chosen the lashes.
It was difficult.
It was a difficult choice, wasn't it?
It was super difficult.
Because there were so many of them. There's about 10 different styles to choose from, so everyone can find a pair they love.
Yes.
But in the end, we chose these amazing lashes, and they're called Axel, and they're black, full, and bold. So now, I'm just going to put black pencil in the roots of your lashes. Precision is not really important because I'm going to smudge it in anyway. Okay, so I'm using this gorgeous stick on top and taking it onto the lid. So as you can see, everybody, there's not much precision going on here. It's just really relaxed. This is the way I do makeup. Well, if we're going onto the red carpet,
which I do obviously all the time.
look down, then we might be a bit more precise in what we're doing. But basically, you've got such gorgeous eyes. So we're just going to make it look even more amazing. That's the goal. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on your brow bone because it just make it sparkle a bit and it's really pretty. And then smudge it in a bit. And I'm going to put a little bit just in the middle to bring out the sparkle bit in the top. Smudge that in. Now we're going to do the lashes. I might just put a tiny bit of mascara first, just a very, very little, just in the roots of the lashes anyway, and then lift it to the tip. Now that's that done. So what we're going to do now is your false eyelashes.
They're very pretty.
Aren't they? That's
Very
a good way
pretty.
to describe them.
Sort of hairy butterflies.
I'm going to pull the lash off the band. Then I'm going to bend the lash like this so it becomes very pliable. And I'm going to put the glue on. And then actually with my finger because save time. These lashes are the same at both ends. So we're not going to worry about making a mistake like is it meant to be for one eye or the other eye. They're shaped for both.
Okay.
So look down. I'm just going to put it on your eye right in the middle. Bang. And I'm just going to bang that in there. It's really amazing what lashes can do. Now, we did the first one. So now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm just going to do that. I just dropped it. I just lost it.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Everybody
Don't-
keep calm. Everybody keep calm.
I just dropped it. Ready?
Yes.
Perfect. And I'm just going to go bang in the middle. God damn it. Some people use tweezers to do this bit. I use my hands. Plonk that on there and go. Great. The glue will dry, but look straight ahead. Beautiful and still very real and wonderful. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put mascara on. So I'm blending the lashes into your real lashes by using mascara on top.
Oh yeah.
I think we're done. Do you want to let your hair down?
Yes, I do.
Amazing. I love these lashes. I love everything about you and everything about this. Okay, bye camera.
Bye.